Zyro is a website builder and online store platform that allows users to create a professional-looking website without any coding skills. It's a user-friendly platform that offers a range of templates, drag-and-drop tools, and e-commerce features to help you build and manage your online store. How to create your online store with Zyro. 1. Sign up. Go to Zyro.com and sign up for a free account. 2. Choose a template. Browse through Zyro's templates and choose the one that best fits your business needs. 3. Customize. Use Zyro's drag-and-drop editor to customize your website's design, layout, and content. 4. Add products. Create and manage your products by adding details such as images, descriptions, prices, and inventory levels. 5. Set up payment and shipping. Configure your payment gateway and shipping options to ensure seamless transactions. 6. Launch your store. Once you're satisfied with your setup, launch your online store and start accepting orders. Things you should know before starting making money online with Zyro in 2024. 1. Fees. Zyro charges a 2.9% 30-cent per transaction fee on all sales. 2. Security. Zyro offers SSL encryption and Level 1 PCI compliance to ensure secure transactions. 3. Payment options. Zyro supports various payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and AuthorizeNet. 4. Shipping integrations. Zyro integrates with popular shipping carriers like USPS, UPS, and FedEx. 5. Analytics and insights. Zyro provides analytics and insights to help you track your sales, traffic, and customer behavior. 6. Customer support. Zyro offers 24/7 customer support through email, chat, and phone. 7. Scalability. Zyro is designed to scale with your business, so you can easily handle increased traffic and sales. 8. Marketing tools. Zyro offers built-in marketing tools such as email marketing and social media integration to help you promote your store. 9. Integrations. Zyro integrates with popular third-party apps and services such as social media platforms, email marketing tools, and CRM systems. 10. Compliance. Zyro ensures compliance with industry regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and PCI DSS.